Welcome to Belix Designs and Home Solutions. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. We talk about design, decor, home hacks, and Airbnb. This is a room that I'm decorating before. It's quite a small. My camera was quite turned upside down, so ignore it. But at least this is the before. It's a small room, really tiny room. I'm going to show you how to maximize the space for an Airbnb use. Please hit the subscribe button to support this channel. So there's a room after. I'm going to take you to the room to show you what I did and the changes I made and how I maximize this space. So you can use this for Airbnb, or if this is your home, that's okay. So that's the room. That's how it looks. I've got a radiator in there. Put some pictures on the wall. Just to enhance the room a little bit. So I managed to fit it a little kind of clothes rail with some hangers on there, just for people to put in their clothes. It's quite small, but I'm just trying to maximize the room, so that helps maximize the space as well. And a mirror again with a little table on there so people can use it. It can be taken out to give you more space, but that's just to show you that you can fit in a small desk for people to use and work. It's got a double bed in the room that could fit in that room, so which is quite good, and we could maximize the space, which is really good. I've got an accent wall or future wall on there with blue, just to maximize it and make it a bit different and match with the the blinds as well. The blue, sorry, the lightings didn't show the colors quite well. It makes it look slightly different, but they're closer to each other in terms of the colors of the walls. So again, look at the view of the room. It's not too bad. So I've got some storage in the room, which obviously I have put a lock there just so people don't have access to it. I'm going to lock it up, but that storage is just above the staircase, so you can put in some more stuff in there if you're operating an Airbnb. So that again, you've got a little space there that is quite different, so we've put in like a little stuff to cover it up, and a table and a TV rather in the room, so people can have a TV in their own room with some space, especially when you've got kids in an Airbnb. So most of the rooms have got Airbnb. It kind of enhance your Airbnb, and it gives you more points and high chances for booking when you've got TVs in different rooms. So if you don't have a TV, it's not the end of the world, but it does help when you're setting on Airbnb. So this is quite a good one. So if you look at the space again, you see how space it is. At least you've got some space for people to sit and move around. A side table and a lamp where you can touch it, and it gives you your side bed lamp, different colors as well. So you can charge your phone as well on there, on that little flat space as well. And you've got a little, a storage place for pens and pencils or whatever, if you wanted to use it on that bedside lamp. So that is quite useful. If you wanted something different, that's okay. But the lamp is really kind of easy for those that wanted to read or write at night or whatever. So that's it. So you've got a side bed table. I got that from I think that table is from Amazon. I think if you watch some of my YouTube videos, you see where I source stuff to maximize cost. Sometimes people are working on a budget, so you want to buy something that is durable but not so expensive and easy to fit, because the fitting time as well is another thing. So we've got spotlights in the room. If I just do a slight tour again, and you see how the room looks like. So there you go. Radiator, some wall art, just to beef up the room a little bit and enhance it. You've got spotlights, go around, and just for you to see how that looks in a slow motion. So that is how the room looks like. It's got a mirror as well inside. So thank you for watching.